Howdy, neighbors. Well, thanks to a good friend of mine, Robert from Ohio, I now have the fridge that I'd been wanting to buy but hadn't saved up the money yet. I mentioned it one day and then he sent me a text and said, "It'll be waiting for you." Oh man, what a huge difference. I got it yesterday and plugged it in, and it runs probably just as quiet. Well, I know it does. It runs just as quiet as my chest one, the Calm Dew that I bought a couple of years ago. This thing's done an excellent job. Runs on my batteries, no problem. And it froze stuff, quite by accident, mind you. But this one, as you can see, fits perfectly right where I wanted it to go. So I ran to Walmart and got a few things. It has an upper freezer, which I am now starting to fill. It also has the fridge section, which I also went and started to fill. Oh look, 230 packs of beer, plus the beer in the door, plus the other stuff. Plus I got a crisper down here. So, yeah, I'm parked kind of weird, so. Anyway, and this thing runs on the batteries and inverter that I have without missing a beat. They're sitting at, that is the drive or the passenger side. What do we got? 14.6, 14.2 amp, 3 amps coming in. This one shows 14.5 and only 0.6 amps going in. And basically it's because everything is topped off. I'm in Craigie Wash, and I'm still having a problem with this thing getting too hot, overheating. And it shouldn't. So I either have thermostat problems or water pump problems. But anyway, this is my view out this set of windows. Oh, pardon me. And I'm just sitting in here enjoying a cold one, roaming through videos. Oh look, there's Aja. Hi Aja. She's working on her garden fence. Oh yeah, and to keep the fridge where it's supposed to be when I'm driving, I've got L brackets on both sides, and then I just hook a bungee cord to them. Actually, it took 2 bungee cords to do it, and I just bungee around the top and hook it into there, and this thing does not move. Coming in here to Craigie Wash, I made sure to pay a lot of attention, and never once moved a bit. Then over here to the sink, You got running water for right now. I'm still looking for a stove. I'll find one. But anyway, I'm sitting here, like I said, just, enjoying a cold one. And it's 83 outside and 77 inside. Got both fans going. And there's a breeze. That is one thing that I have to worry about, is I'm curious to see what happens when I have to stick the air conditioner back in the window. Oh yeah, that's sitting right down here in that box, along with a few other things. Oh, I saw a fox out here this morning. He come up right there, and saw him go up and over and out that way. I'll go ahead and add that video to the end of this one. So anyway, yeah, Robert, thank you. And Marty, you're right. It has changed everything, because now I can, put actual food in here. I bought a bunch of salad stuff, hard-boiled eggs, and, stuff that's good for you. Okay, well, I guess that's enough for now. Here, let's look out the window to the other side. I used to camp. The last 3 years I've been coming here. I would park on the other side over there where nobody else is. And Lake Havasu is, where's my finger? Hey, back up. Lake Havasu is that way. You see planes coming and going right through that gap in the mountains, or the hills right over there, all the time. Because to get into this place, you turn right at the end of the runway at the Lake Havasu Airport. Okay. Oh yeah, I spent about half an hour putting the driveline back into the van. It's pretty easy, I was told a bazillion different things, and I forgot. Oh, Jesus, if I hadn't moved and been over there, we could have seen a plane taking off. I can hear it. With the driveline, it has an in and out splined part of the driveline, and that goes into the transmission side. So everybody was worried that the transmission would start leaking and I have to stuff a rag in there, or I should just put the driveline up, blah, 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 blah. Mine's set up where it has a U-joint that's connected to the spline setup, a female one, that is bolted onto the transmission. So all I have to do is undo the 4 little bolts. That was a pain in the butt too. 2 of them are 3/8 and 2 of them are 7/16. And so once I took that out, popped that out, boom, and just dropped the drive line and throw it in the back. And same thing in reverse. I don't have to worry about anything getting in it or leaking out of it or any of that. It's just a pain in the butt to have to do, laying on the ground, etc. So I just backed off the dolly and ran to town. I don't know how long we're going to be here, because there's some pretty hot temperatures that are coming. And I know I drove the 85 miles from Quartzsite up to here, and it just started to act overheating, warning me. It got up to 210. And I'm gonna check the water in the radiator again, and if it needs it, I'll do it again. And then when we leave, I'll make sure that it's first thing in the morning, and that way I'm traveling during the cool of the day, because I know once I leave here it's uphill. And then we'll go, I don't know, maybe another hour north and see what we find heading towards the Flagstaff area. But yeah, we definitely do not like the heat. We can sleep a lot better when it's cool and do everything when it's cool, better, a lot better when it's cool, because it does get a bit warm. And all you want to do is plug the air conditioner in and hope it works. Hope I got enough battery. Anyway, that's my update for today. Hope you all have a good day. I'll leave you with my Gallant's fridge. Thank you again, Robert. This thing is a game changer. Shiny. Fits right where I figured it would. Even the right height. Everything. Now I've got to build a cabinet over it. Later. Alright, where'd you go? There's a fox up there. Someplace. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, there you are, way over there. Come on, show yourself. There you are. He just came out of the camp.